Divorce can be messy, especially when property is involved. Our WSFL-TV Trusted Advisor and bankruptcy attorney Chad Van Horn joins us now to share how you can protect joint property from individual creditors amidst divorce. Chad, welcome back.
Hey, how's it going? Happy to be back.
Happy to have you here. Let's have a refresher, Chad, for our audience. You are a WSFL-TV Trusted Advisor. What services does the Van Horn Law Group provide?
So we help with any of your debt issues, whether it's bankruptcy, negotiation, anything like that. We basically take care of your debt.
Today we're talking about divorce and how debt can play a role in that. Is filing for bankruptcy a good option for protecting joint property?
Well, the timing couldn't be better for this conversation. I just met with somebody that's going through a divorce. They said they saw me on a TV show with a good-looking guy. I don't know what that could have been, but I think she referenced this.
It was you. It was not me. It was you. It was you.
And she said, I'm going through divorce. Should I file for bankruptcy before the divorce or after? Because I know I can't handle this debt. Luckily, she got here before the divorce, because if you file after the divorce, you cannot exempt property that's owned jointly with your spouse or soon-to-be ex-spouse, because we have something in Florida called tenancy by the entireties. If you own property jointly while you're married and you acquired it during the marriage, generally speaking, it's exempt from individual creditors. So it was really important. She actually saved significant amount of property by filing bankruptcy prior to the divorce.
Good to know. The divorce process, as you know, Chad, is lengthy. It can be arduous. It's also emotional. And when people are experiencing that for a myriad of different reasons, obviously, does filing for bankruptcy impact the divorce process?
So filing for bankruptcy can actually make the divorce process easier, because part of it, and I'm not a divorce attorney at all, but unfortunately, bankruptcy and divorce go hand in hand. 50% of all marriages approximately end in divorce. And the number one reason for divorce is financial issues. So I've learned a lot about divorce over the years, unfortunately, but filing for bankruptcy prior to going through the divorce can actually make things easier, because when you do that marital settlement agreement or you're going through the divorce process, one of the big things that has to be dealt with is who's going to pay for the debt, which, as you can imagine, is a really, really big issue.
How does your firm help clients, if someone's watching right now, who want to protect their property if they are going through a divorce?
Yeah, the best thing you can do is contact me early. I understand it's a very emotional thing, and especially if there's kids involved, if there's property, if there's other things that are involved. But if you can take care of the debt early, it's going to make the divorce process much easier for you, and you may be able to exempt some of those assets and keep those out of the bankruptcy estate and keep those away from creditors to set yourself up post-divorce, post-bankruptcy.
Beautiful. Chad Van Horn, a WSFL-TV Trusted Advisor. Thank you.
Thank you.